Hey everyone, I have a really quick update for you on Palantir, especially for anyone that's interested in buying into the company's IPO. I wish I had this information before I recorded the last video I uploaded yesterday, which I hope you've already seen, but if you didn't, it's a pretty thorough introduction of the company and I'll link it in the description. Anyways, for today, Palantir announced that they'll have an investor day that they'll hold online through a webcast. I think if you're seriously interested in investing into the company, this might be one you want to catch, particularly since the IPO is going the direct listing route. While I plan to have an updated and more analytical video for you right before trading begins, without the typical underwriters and roadshow presentations of a traditional IPO, you might find this webcast pretty interesting in getting a better understanding of the company. In the invitation to their investor day, they invite investors to, quote, join us to hear from management and Palantir-ians around the world who will discuss our business, platforms, customers, and operations, end quote. As for the agenda, the people that are advertised to speak at the event include the co-founder and CEO, Alex Karp, as well as the Chief Operating Officer, the Chief Financial Officer, the Global Head of Business Development, and some of their engineers. The event will be held on September 9th, which is next Wednesday, and will start at 10 a.m. Eastern and end at 3 p.m. In order to participate, you'll have to click the RSVP button on their website and submit your name and email. That's it. Once you do that, they'll give you a link to join the presentation and a confirmation email. It comes back pretty quickly. I got mine almost right after I submitted my request. You can find the invite at palantir.events/Palantir Investor Day, all one word. You can see the web address on your screen. Now, if you're wondering why I don't just watch it and then report the highlights to you, well, I might just do that. But I do like to share information like this that's out there with you just in case you're interested. It's sort of like when you guys can go through the S1 filing for an IPO for yourself, but I know that's pretty time consuming and sometimes even a little overwhelming, so I try to find the most pertinent information and give it to you in an easy to understand and time efficient way. And if you find me doing that helpful, feel free to drop me a big thumbs up. As I've said before, I look forward to sharing more information with you on Palantir and all the other IPOs coming out. And we have some big ones on the horizon with Snowflake, JFrog, Asana, and the most familiar name out there, Airbnb. Please stay tuned to the channel for every episode of IPO This Week, where we talk about each and every IPO and SPAC coming out for that week. And be sure to have your notification bell turned on for any updates that I have to share. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we'd love to have you join the community by simply pressing the red subscribe button. It's totally free. Unless something breaking comes out over the next day or two, which, let's face it, happens a lot in the world of IPOs, I do want to wish you a great and safe holiday weekend. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.